Let me give you the tea on these lashes. And I'm being mad extra because if you check out my channel, I did a review or my impressions on extensions, and I pretty much like blasted the experience. Well, that was my bad because I didn't find the right person to do my lashes. So, disclaimer, when looking to get lash extensions, make sure you go to someone who's reputable and actually knows what the hell they're doing. Check out these natural classic lashes. Honey, tell me these are my lashes. Try it. I got my lashes done about 2 weeks ago now, and I've had maybe a handful fall out. I don't even brush them because I'm trying to keep them in for a good minute. Let me give you this close up. I'm trying to keep them in for a hot minute, so I don't even brush them out like with a little thing. I just get up and go, and that's the reason why I wanted to do the lashes in the first place, because I'm a mom. I be tired. I don't be having the time, and my appearance does matter. Like, just the little things can make you feel a little less busted, not as busted as a mom, okay? So I got them done, and when I tell you they are so lightweight, like they feel like my natural lashes. And this might come as a surprise to people that, get lashes on a regular. I don't know. I'm not about that life. I'm trying, right? To save time in my beauty routine. So I'm trying to do these little things that require less maintenance. Um, the last lashes I had on, they felt like bat wings. Like they were so heavy on my eyes, like on my lids. Like you couldn't even lay down and go to sleep. Like they were so heavy, so uncomfortable. Now they did last for like 2 months. 2 months, they didn't go anywhere, but that's because they were so caked on. You know what I'm saying? And I don't think that's healthy. So this time, yes, I might be doing the most, but I'm so happy with my experience. I paid, get ready for this. And you might be like, barely got any lashes on. You might be of the school that likes like the big, extra, 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 read all about it type of lashes. But I like simplicity. I like to just have a little bit of oomph, look like, like they're natural. I like that whole natural, like she just has gorgeous natural lashes. The gag is they're not mine, right? So I like that style. So I got what's called, I guess, a classic, and the lengths that were used were 10, 11, and 12, I believe. The person that did this, shout out to you. If you ever get to see this, shout out to you, babe. Her name is Sophie, and her IG is Lashes by Sophie. She's actually in Canada. She's in the GTA area of Canada. So hit her up. Her profile, hit her up. Like, the proof, like, I'm a believer. I would love to do these again, and hopefully I can find somebody in this area to do them for me. I'm in Florida, so I just gotta research and find a good fit. But let me tell you, like, she made me a believer, man. Like I can't stop. Like, I can't stop. Like, I'm giving you full on. Like, do you see that? Like, girl. Giving you sultriness without giving you the sultriness. So that's all I wanted to say about that lash experience. First, that last video, that was a fail. Okay, this is I love this girl. No burning, no burning in the eye. She just took her time. It took her 75 Canadian dollars was a cost. It took her maybe like 90 minutes. She did it for my eye shape. She used different lengths. She listened. Her place was clean. She's a young girl trying to do her little business. Shout out to her. And I just love it. Like, I love it. Like, I'm hoping I can find somebody here. If not, best believe I will be on a plane. I will be making this, while I'm in town, while I'm in Canada, like to get some fills or something like that because I need these in my, like, say something to me. Say it. If it ain't beautiful, don't say nothing at all. Okay? Yeah, so let me stop playing. Yeah, lashes, I love them. Get you some, moms, get you some. Get you some. Make you feel good. Get you some. See you soon in the next one. Bye.